Rehan travels to the world of dinosaurs. Rehan always enjoyed exploring something new. Sometimes he would explore the world. Then, sometimes Rehan would go to space. He could even go back in time. With his advanced 3D glasses, he could see anything. Rehan's advanced 3D glasses had a new mic and earphone feature, so Rehan was very excited to use them. With the 3D glasses, he could see anything. With the earphone, he could hear everything, and with the mic, he could ask questions. It would help Rehan learn about the place he visited. How cool was that? Today, Rehan was in the mood for something ancient, yet something colorful, and maybe something adventurous. Rehan put his 3D glasses on and turned on the mic and earphones. Off he went to travel the world of dinosaurs. Rehan wanted to know everything about dinosaurs, so he would speak into his mic. Tell me all about dinosaurs. The word dinosaur meant terrible lizard. Dinosaurs ruled the world for over 160 million years. Wow, that is so long. Rehan could only imagine what the world would be like at that time, ruled by dinosaurs. Then suddenly, he was surrounded by huge and colorful dinosaurs. They were so many different kinds. Dinosaurs lived on every continent of the earth: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. There were more than 700 different species of dinosaurs. The first dinosaur to be formally known was the Megalosaurus back in 1824. It was brownish and grayish in color. Giant dinosaurs like Brachiosaurus and Apatosaurus were herbivores. A Tyrannosaurus Rex, or T-Rex, had a lifespan of 25 to 28 years. It weighed about 7 tons. Whoa, Rehan wondered. No wonder it is so huge. Rehan started running away from it. The largest dinosaur was the Argentinosaurus. It was 130 meters in length. Whoa, it's so tall! Looking at it all the way up made Rehan fuzzy, but he still wanted to see more. Rehan could see all kinds of dinosaurs. Some were carnivores and some were herbivores. Some walked on 2 legs, while others walked on 4 legs. Some had horns and spikes. Others had thick, bumpy skin. Some even had feathers. Rehan had never seen or heard of dinosaurs with feathers. The dinosaur with the longest name was Brachiosaurus. It means tiny, thick-headed lizard. Okay, that name is too big. Its fossils have been found in China, and it was in 1978 by the Chinese paleontologist Dong. Paleontologist, that is such a long word. The most brainy dinosaur was a Troodon. It was a hunting dinosaur. It had a brain size similar to a mammal and that of a bird today. Rehan wondered how they would think. What would they be like? Then he saw a Troodon. A well-behaved dinosaur it was, while all the rest were running around. All the running and hopping of dinosaurs made Rehan dizzy. He wanted to take his glasses off and get some sleep. Plus, it was getting late. But it had been so much fun. Rehan wanted to save some fun for later. So Rehan took his 3D glasses off and got ready to sleep. He needed to be well rested for his next adventure. Off Rehan was to dream about his day.